Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming physical readiness. Check outputs and grab any adapter so the signal is uninterrupted. Once both monitors are powered and cabled, plug them into the PC and secure connectors to avoid loose contacts. On Windows, head to Display Settings and click Detect so the system recognizes screens. Make sure the machine shows 2 displays before you change modes. This prevents wasted steps and lets you immediately switch from duplicate to extend when both displays appear. Now focus on the arrangement and performance so your extended desktop behaves predictably. Drag the display tiles to mirror their real-world positions, then choose which monitor is primary. That controls start and new windows. Next, set each monitor to its native resolution and appropriate scaling so text and UI are sharp, and pick the highest stable refresh rate the cable and GPU support. If you need color accuracy or multiple GPU features, open your graphics control panel and apply the matching profile for each screen. Finish by applying the layout and actively testing it. Drag several app windows across both monitors to confirm continuity and use Windows plus P to toggle modes quickly. Make sure to save or jot down custom scaling or display profiles. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting move is to update your graphics drivers and then systematically swap cables or ports. Often a faulty cable or wrong adapter causes detection or flicker issues. If problems persist, reboot with only one monitor connected to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.